If the 2025 Lexus UX300h nameplate doesn't ring a bell, it's because this particular version of the UX subcompact crossover is new. The 300h replaces the 250h, but more important, it represents the first Lexus model to be powered by the automaker's fifth-generation hybrid system. Key upgrades include a new lithium-ion battery and a boost in power output from 181 to 196 horsepower. This marks a significant shift as Lexus moves away from nickel-metal hydride battery packs to the more energy-dense battery chemistry, and it also means the UX uses a version of the 2024 Toyota Prius's powertrain, a car recently honored as Motor Trend's 2024 Car of the Year. Even so, is the roughly $2,000 price increase for certain UX hybrid trims from 2024 to 2025 justified? We spent several days with the UX hybrid to find out. Although the new powertrain is a headline change, most folks will find the 12.3-inch display in premium and F Sport models even more appealing. Compared to Lexus's previous infotainment systems, this new setup is a significant leap forward. With this enhancement, Lexus's entry-level crossover feels rejuvenated and more contemporary, now featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto displayed in full-screen mode, which enhances usability, especially with navigation. The updated graphics, rapid responsiveness, and streamlined menu layout simplify the user experience compared to the outgoing system. It's modern conveniences like these that can attract first-time buyers and turn them into long-time loyalists. Adding to the experience is the quiet cabin. Our F Sport handling model came equipped with an active variable suspension, significantly enhancing both ride quality and comfort. The suspension adeptly softens bumps on city streets and highways, ensuring a smooth journey while effectively minimizing vibrations within the cabin. This provided an above-average ride quality for a small, entry-level luxury SUV. Although the UX300h offers numerous advantages, there are some trade-offs to consider, primarily its compact size. As one of the smallest luxury crossovers, the UX300h's interior feels cozy. For adults slightly above average height or taller, the front seats may feel cramped in legroom. The low steering wheel and the raised seat can make the driving position a bit awkward. The steering wheel touched our legs even when it was raised to the highest setting. Additionally, the rear seat is pinched in head and legroom. The cargo space is also limited, partly due to the battery's placement under the cargo floor, which reduces available storage space in the UX. This is reflected in its cargo capacity of 17.2 cubic feet, smaller than the Volkswagen Golf GTI's 19.9 cubic feet. The UX300h and Prius share the same powertrain, resulting in a very similar driving experience. Despite its F Sport badge, don't expect the UX300h to astonish with its speed or agility. Our instrumented testing revealed it reached 60 miles in 8.0 seconds and completed the quarter mile in 16.1 seconds. In comparison, its predecessor, the 200h, was marginally slower, reaching 60 miles in 8.2 seconds and finishing the quarter mile in 16.3 seconds. The differences between the two models are subtle, emphasizing continuity rather than significant performance gains. The UX300h doesn't feel significantly faster on the road either, but it's not sluggish. The hybrid system delivers swift acceleration from a standstill, its 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine seamlessly integrating with the electric motors for respectable power delivery. Engaging Sport Plus drive mode enhances acceleration slightly, but the difference isn't transformative. The UX300h maintains a balanced profile, offering adequate performance without straying into sports car territory. Braking performance is one area that notably improved. The UX300h demonstrates smooth transitions between regenerative and mechanical braking, even during aggressive braking maneuvers. In the past, we've criticized Toyota and Lexus hybrids for their unnatural and occasionally rough braking feel, especially on broken pavement. But the new UX300h avoids these issues. The steering's weight and speed are akin to those of the current Prius, and it adds a bit of sportiness to this taller vehicle. This combination enhances overall handling and responsiveness, making the hybrid UX a more engaging vehicle to drive than before. Although the new hybrid system and upgraded infotainment enhance the UX300h experience, we find it hard to justify the $49,445 price tag for the top-of-the-line F Sport model. At this price point, opting for the base 2025 Lexus NX350h seems more compelling, as it offers significantly more interior space to go with the latest in design and technology. While the UX's fuel economy numbers are quite good, 44, 40, 42 mpg city highway combined, the NX hybrid isn't far behind.